All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today got Shirogorov first production Stellar here on the table. I'm just gonna do a quick maintenance right over here. I'm just gonna need a couple tools. I mean, you don't really need these, but if you have these, yeah, it's gonna be easier to take this guy apart. Then, I mean, flathead screwdriver with some duct tape is gonna do it. You don't need to buy the dedicated tool, but if you have that, again, it's gonna help. I'm just tackling this pivot right over here, and that is out. Let me open just the blade first, like that, and let's access this screw right over here on the handle, like so. So this is out as well. There you go. So now you can, you can even do like that, deploy the blade, and let's see what's going to happen. You just lift this thing. So this is what you're gonna encounter. You're gonna encounter a bunch of ball bearings, which we can just gently move onto the mat, and we're gonna grab a little bit of rubbing alcohol and a little bit of clean cloth, right? Just to clean the blade first. Then we're gonna just extract this cage for the bearing and these two bearings right over here. So actually I need to change the tweezers because these are not ideal for the ball bearings. These are the ones that I use actually for the custom division. Let's try not to knock anything out. So that's what I'm gonna use. But these actually can be nicely useful for the extraction of the cage, because it's tight. So I'm just gonna, there you go, just lift it like so, take it out like that, and very gently just remove this set of ball bearings, guys. So now we can just start just cleaning things. Like I'm just gonna clean the inside of this track, like so. What you can do also, because these are washers, like steel washers, you can grab some magnets in a little Ziploc bag and just use it like to attract that washer out. So you can actually access underneath and just clean the socket and of course the bearing, right, the washer, so that's done, right? So you just want to use this little trick, so so you're not going to damage anything. So here, there you go, it's out. So we can just clean the inside of this track, like so, and we also clean this washer here. Always remember to place it back as you found it, in the same orientation, I mean, because it's already worn out, right? So that is done. What else? We can just wipe this off nicely. Stopping is gonna be in this side because I like it. Also, another pretty cool thing is the captive pivot system right over here. CPS, it doesn't allow for spinning of the pivot screw. And just check out the inside of this Stellar first production. This guy has S90V steel and a dual anodization affair going on the scale, which is just gorgeous, by the way. Anyways, now we are in for, where is it? Right over here. A little bit of rubbing alcohol. There you go. Just a splash. A sip of coffee. Because that's what I like to do. Nice espresso, right? Not that other thing. That's the only coffee, right? Oops. So here I'm just grabbing this just to push out these bearings, and here you go. Nice bath for the cages, which are clean. These guys can be there. So just grabbing this, which is dry and clean, and also that is done here. Just cleaning like that a little bit, right? And here just like so, drying out. Boom, done. So now these guys can just go right over there, and it's done, almost, right? So okay. So now you grab these guys like that, one by one, and you just place them there. But because this pivot is in the way, I'm doing later. Actually, I remember that I like to use these so I can load a couple at a time, you know, and just lay them down here, like so. And if one comes up, I remember these were nice actually for the ball bearings, because they have round tips, so you can use like to scoop. You see a couple, like 4. Look at this. I grabbed 4, but 2 I lost. So let's see if I can just. Here you go. So 3. Look at this. 3. 1, 2. And 3. So no, that's not a good strategy, guys. No, don't do that. So 2 maybe is fine. Yeah. So 2 is okay. Let's stick with 2. Or 1. Or 0, actually. Here you go. So another one is right over here. So this guy is actually sold, and I'm very happy because he's going to go to a very, very good person, which I like. And this is the tuning that I'm going to do for him, because he's a nice person. So I want to having the best experience ever. So which nano oil are we going to use here? I don't know. I'm thinking a 10 weight, actually. I'm going to go with a 10 weight nano oil, just a little dab on the detent. So this is done. And we can do just that. We're going to tweak it in a second. And right over here, I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing. Look at this, 2 at a time. Guys, this is so easy compared to like custom division stuff that it's, or even the full custom. The newest Mini Quantum, for example, has very tiny double row roller bearings. So, yeah, not as quick or as easy as this guy over here. One tries to escape, but we cut it like that. So that's done. All right, another little drops of nano awesomeness. Maybe one more, just why not? So that is done. Now I'm just gonna use this fella just to spread a little bit everything around, right? Without doing any mess, Fab. right? So don't do that, guys. You just saw what not to do. It's all right. I extended the length of this video, but at least you see what not to do. So don't do like that, all right? So just do this. And here now they're gonna be sticky, so I'm not gonna wash them again because they are ready. So not too bad. Yeah, don't drag that around because this might happen. So you have to reset these guys in. Not a biggie. It was quick. Anyways, let's maybe do like that with your finger. So we are done. So that is it. So this is here. This goes here, and just blades in. Now let's hope that this thing doesn't just. Ta-da! Yeah, it's work. So now just the pivot in, like so. I like the new pivots okay, that's beautiful. So this fella here. And now, here you go. So that's done. So now I just want to orient this let's say like that, maybe, right? No. So the new captive pivot has the ability to orient the pivot as you like. So not like that, you see. So you can just do like this, push it, and kind of like rotate, into the direction that is preferred. So maybe this one, I don't know. One more, you see, it's angled like that. So you just do like this. So like this, you orient the pivot matching. All right. So let's try it out. There you go. Very nice. Oh, that's fast. Oops. Perfectly centered. Gorgeous. Nice gliding shot. You know what? We can do a little bit quicker. I think like this. Exactly. Whew. Lovely. Yeah. That was success. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.